We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another Copart walk around. In today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you. We are gonna be bidding on a car today. So y'all probably gonna hear the noise in the video of the auction in the background, probably. You know what I'm saying, from my other phone. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, join the Hustle Nation if you haven't done so already. Follow me on all social media platforms and go to wehustledaily.com. I'm gonna show y'all the car that I'm trying to buy. But make sure, again, you go to wehustledaily.com. You're interested in learning how to buy and sell cars, how to properly inspect cars. I'm going to show y'all how to do it, man. Do not get a limit at the auction. wehustledaily.com. And right now, the bid is only like 5 something. So we about to see if we can win this thing. It's a 2011 Toyota Camry. So let me take y'all over here. Kind of like this one right here. But let me take y'all over here and show y'all what's going on. And y'all wish me luck, man. But if it stays at this, we can get a good deal on it. But if not, y'all know how the game go, man. So let's get over here and see what we got. Special thanks to the Hustle Nation and special thanks to Copart, man. Appreciate y'all both. Let's get it. All right, guys. 345 hit me. I think this is the older one. Yeah, got the fake SRT. No, what's that say? RT? Yeah, RT. 345. Y'all bear with me. I'm actually trying to bid on something. I'm about to show y'all that in a minute. Ooh. Oh man, this one tore up from the floor up, 77,000 miles, but that is tore up from the floor up right there. I don't even got no power. Got leaves and stuff in here. No sunroof. Oh, I do actually got power. Crank it up real quick. See if it'll crank up for y'all. 77,000 miles, but that damn just beat that. Oh, this sound good, though. That wheel is tilted, boy. So yeah, the motor good, but the damn. Sold on approval. Hold up. Okay, we waiting, guys. We waiting. We just waiting. It looked like it used to be black though. Is that a wrap? Can't tell. I can't tell. But I think it is a wrap though. The door hinges is black. Is it? It's a pretty good wrap if it is wrapped, because I can't tell. Oh, let's see. Oh, that's paint. They painted this car. It was black, they painted it. What y'all think? Would y'all buy it looking like this? Let me know in the comments below. Let's keep moving. All right, coming over here to the camera, y'all. The current bid is 15. Let me see. 16, actually. If you pay 16 for this car, you're looking at 21 out the door. The door open. 21. Both doors open. I'm not sure if I want to give him 21 for this. I mean, it seems all right, but I don't even remember that. Stinking here. I don't think I want to give him 21 for it. Give him 21, 22. Probably can make. I don't know if somebody will give $3 grand for this. He got 228,000 miles on it, man. It's already kind of high, bro. And that'd be the thing, man. You find cars and you still, they go so damn high on them, bro. Need a tire over there. 2011, man, that's too much, bro. I'm gonna let y'all know what it sell for, but by it already being in 21 something, it's too much, man. Too much. I'm not gonna, I mean, it ain't a lot of room to make no money. Y'all, if y'all agree with me, let me know in the comments below. If you disagree, let me know in the comments below. But I just feel as though it ain't worth it, bro. I just feel as though it ain't worth it, and then I'm taking a risk on if it. Y'all let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna let y'all know what to sell for in 1 second. As soon as it sell, I'll catch y'all in a minute. There's only a couple of cars ahead of it, so I'm gonna let y'all know. And yeah, but y'all seen the car, man. 224,000 miles, 2011. You see what it is. It got a little smell to it. Got some pet hair in there. The grill toe up down there just for 21. Well, it might go for more than 21. We about to see. So I'm gonna let y'all know in a second. And yeah, y'all stay tuned. Wow. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by wehustledaily.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. Remember, this is a 2011 Toyota Camry with 224,000 miles on it. They going crazy on it. $1,800. Let me let y'all know what that is out the door. 1,800 is $2,378. It's too much, man. Too much. If the miles was lower, if the miles was like 160, I would have did it. This is a BMW, but unfortunately the BMW don't got no power already. I was sitting here waiting for the car to come up, but BMW ain't got no power. It got 220, no, I got 120 on the miles on this one. It's a 05 BMW 6 Series. Y'all know damn well the BMWs will have to crank up. I think my Lexus is over there. I ain't gonna show y'all that again though. We still waiting on that to sell. Y'all remember this one? I like this one too, but here's the BMW right here. But we can't do nothing with it if it don't crank up, ladies and gentlemen. And it's convertible. That would have been nice. But I think these, you know, BMWs usually trash anyway. I'll show y'all this Lexus, man. Damn, man. This kind of blew me, bro. Too much. I like this car too. I like the white. I like these in white. I was kind of thinking, like, I actually like, oh shoot. And this one is just way too much for me. And it's way too, like, this one's gonna go pretty high. You got the interior and everything. Y'all remember I showed y'all this a while ago. I showed y'all this when I showed y'all the damn sun, man. I showed y'all this when I showed y'all that the GS over there. But yeah, man, thought I was gonna be bringing home that Camry, but unfortunately we not gonna be bringing home the Camry, so it is what it is. This don't look that bad though. It just got all the stuff taken off of it. I don't know why. And then the door, which ain't too bad, but I don't think that's supposed to be like that. So yeah, guys, yeah, man, see if I got anything else here to check out. But damn, bro, car went for so goddamn much money, man. Well, y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. But yeah, let's keep moving. Check it out. We got a RT Magnum. Don't see the Magnum a lot. I guess the real color is red. They just put the wrap little pieces on here. Got the sunroof. Hemi, they took it off. I'm gonna tell you something you don't see a lot. These. What the hell did they do? You do not see the Hemis, the RT Magnums. You do not see them a lot. It's a 5.7. I don't even see Magnums no more, even like for real, period. Honestly. 5.7, 105 on the miles. Whoa. We got stuff flying around in here, but they kept it clean. I just let you free. You better not go back in there now. All right, go back in there. You want to? All right. But yeah, man. What y'all think? They had a different type of color combination thing going here, but they put it all over the gauges and stuff. Guess that's cool. What y'all think though? The interior is kind of weird because of the color. Got that light interior. It would be better if it had black. Oh, look at this. Two-tone. So silver camo on this side. Black camo on that side. I like the black better, but I can see that matches the interior the other side. What y'all think? Y'all let me know in the comments below. Haven't seen a Magnum in a long time. And they got the drilled and slotted rotors right here. And on the front, they look like they were trying to take care of this thing. They just, you Mopar guys, man, y'all always crashing. I keep telling y'all, crash, crash, crash. That's yo ass. All right, show y'all this cool little thing here, the RX. They got $18,100 on this. That's right, 18,100 bucks. That's crazy, right? For a 2016 83,000 miles RX 350. What do y'all think? Let me know. See the damage, show y'all the damage here. It ain't that bad. Just right here, right there. Look in here real quick. I'll finish showing y'all in a second. 18,000 gang? 18,000 man? It's dirty. The little thing missing everything. I've seen them nicer than this one. Look at some nice little doors. Sorry about that sun, man. That sun is going crazy on the camera for some reason. But yeah, man, this is really honestly disappointing today as far as what happened with the camera. Really disappointing. Y'all see the damage. I'm just gonna go ahead and get up out of here, man. Y'all let me know what y'all have paid that 23 out the door, 23 something. What did I say? 23.70. Might as well say 24 damn near, or 23. I forgot what I said. Y'all remember? But that's too much, man. I thought I was gonna be able to sell that car for like 28. 3,000 would have been pushing it. It got 224,000 miles. You feel me? So that's how the game is. That's how the auction game is, man. You're gonna come and they gonna pay too much, and it's just the name of the game, bro. I don't know where they gonna sell that at, how much they gonna sell it for, or nothing like that. But you know, obviously they thought they could do something with it, you know. So appreciate y'all tuning in. Love you guys. Shout out to Copart. It's your boy Ray. Big Play Ray. Out of here today. Peace.